Hey guys, Taylordd here, coming back at you with another PK commentary. My combat's still the same, my stats are still the same. Um, yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. Be back whenever I fight. Okay, I'm gonna fight this kid. He's also got myth knives and he rushed me, so I'm gonna save until that's gonna be a good fight. He had time to eat there. I don't know why he didn't. Oh, got the mall sweetness. Yes. Yes. Got the mall sweet. It's the best loot I've gotten forever. I don't know really how much they are because I've never PK'd one. Sweet. Alright guys, be back when I have another fight. Of course she doesn't want to skull, so I'm going to attack her. Why did I just pray pot? FML. Bust out these rune knives I PK'd. Safe. Bye. Good fight. Bronze 2H sword. What the heck was she doing? Ooh, got some nice rune arrows. Sweet. Looters. You gotta love looters. Try to get every shark they can, right? Fuck you, steel arrow. There went the prayer. My full HP. Alright, be back when I have another fight. I'm gonna fight Quagmire here. Oh, I guess I'll fight him. Just asks me for a fight and then tells me to get cape. Alright, going back to its Quagmire here. Trying to PJ a fight. I believe she is. This kid's a combat level higher, so get some strength training in tonight so I can make some money, and I'm just gonna attack him. Screw that. I'm gonna save till I get potted. He's trying to get close to me so he can maul. I have 1-2. Gonna eat there. Cause he can maul that easily. Go maul spec that. GG. Nice combo. He had the dark bow. It'd been awesome if I would have smited that. I'd have skeeted all over the place. I don't know. Ooh! That's a nice kill. I don't want to waste my rune knives on this kid. Wait. Oh, he had gmaul too. That's why he didn't spec me. Alright, be back whenever I have another fight. Alright, we got a fight with level 53. He wants me to grab a skull right quick. Let's see. I can skull on him. Wow, okay. Never mind. I'll just go ahead and attack him. What the? 12, 13. Okay, okay, check this out. Alright guys, so this same thing happened in the last video. 1, 13, that's 14, be 44, 4, 40, 12, 13. 12 plus 13 is 40. Jagext. Fight. No. GL. No, thank you. Still gonna attack you, bro. Get this level 49 here. Okay, get this level 54 here. I like rune shims, so I'm gonna ask him to skull. Fight. Okay. No, thank you. Okay, whatevs, run. Gonna eat there. He'll probably run now, so I'm gonna spec right here. No, he won't. I figured he would run. Oh my gosh, that was a nice spec. Got PJ'd twice. Pking at its best. This isn't the kid I just fought, I don't believe, so I'm gonna spec there too. Aw, I didn't have full spec or I'd have killed him. GG. Alright guys, just gonna wrap it up for this video. Subscribe, comment, and tell me if you liked it. If you did, give it a like. Thank you. I'll be back tomorrow or the next day with another PK video. I'm gonna try to get my combat up so I don't have to deal with this PJing and stuff as bad. Yeah, see you guys.